For those of you who trying to decide if you want to get window vents, window shades, or whatever you want to call them, those things there. I don't know if you can tell, but on a regular road, I mean, it's a bit of a, decent speed road, but it's a regular everyday road. I don't know if you can hear the background noise, the wind noise. Okay, see, it's a 45-mile-an-hour road. Okay, wait till it's safe here. Switch hands. No, I'm gonna put the window down. That's loud. Jeez, that's loud. So if you're a smoker or you like to have your windows cracked, then yeah, maybe they're going to be useful. But if you're like me and you can't stand noises that shouldn't be there, rattles or whatever, they do kind of make things loud. Now, I'm not going to say what brand these are or anything like that. Now I'm going to put down the passenger window. It's pretty loud for a 45-mile-an-hour road. Okay. Now, some cars get that really weird, it's like a harmonic thump or something if you put your rear windows down. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah! You can't tell because you're not in the car, but my eardrums are like thumping. So they don't stop that problem either. Oof, that's bad. It's funny, I never had that problem with a car before. Put that back up. So this is I think it's a 16 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, otherwise known as a Ford Explorer. But hey, look, and there goes one the other way, a regular one. But anyway, so if you're thinking about putting one of those window venti shade things in your car, you might want to either do it on a trial basis or think twice about it. No, not only that, but they don't always stay on. I know somebody who just picked up a used F-150 that had them, and we had to peel 2 of them off because they were going to fly off on the highway. So if you're going to put them on correctly. Also, it's probably better, at least on the short term, if you buy one of the sets that actually goes into the window channel somehow, as opposed to sticking on your paint, which is another no-no in my book. I'm going to put the window down one more time so you can hear. Come on. It's a lot louder than on my own car, which is a Crown Victoria. Who knows, maybe that just aren't as loud. But that's loud. I'll put it down a little more. Can't quite tell from that. By the way, there's the big Mohawk Indian. There he is. Can you see him? There he is. Put it up a little more. Alright, so now it's cracked. It's for your smokers out there. I don't even know if you can hear me. I hope so. I don't do this type of thing very often. I'm more of a real camera person than a cell phone camera. That is highly annoying. So there you go. If you're thinking about vent shades, vent covers, whatever you want to call them, window shades, yeah, I'm not saying that every car is like that, but at least if you have an Explorer, you might want to think twice if you're not into loudness when you have your windows open, or when they're not open. Because when you're on the highway, you can hear it pretty darn good too. that's another cheap, low-budget video. That means absolutely nothing. Bye.